If your lawn looks thin, or you can see soil between the grass blades, fertilizer alone won't fix it. Grass gets tired over time. Overseeding brings it back to life, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it the right way. Overseeding simply means adding new seed into your existing lawn without digging everything up. It makes turf thicker, helps prevent weeds, and introduces newer grass varieties that resist disease better. Your goal is simple: a lawn so dense you can't see the soil, just like fresh sod. Early fall is best, about 4 to 6 weeks before your first light frost. Spring works too, but only early, before lilacs bloom. Any later, and new grass struggles to survive summer heat. This is where most people go wrong. Mow your lawn very short, then rake hard. You want seed touching soil, not sitting on thatch or clippings. If weeds are heavy, deal with them first before you seed. Optional steps like aerating or dethatching help, but the real secret is simple. Seed must touch soil. Use high-quality seed. Newer varieties resist disease better. Spread more seed than you think you need, because watering isn't always perfect at home. Divide your seed in half. Spread one direction, then cross-spread the second half so you don't miss spots. Lightly rake again so about 90% of the seed is covered. Once seed gets wet, it must stay moist. Water lightly twice a day for at least 2 weeks. If seed dries out even once, you can lose a big part of your germination. A light mulch or garden fleece can help keep moisture in and protect the seed. You'll see quick sprouts first. That's the nurse grass. The stronger grasses take longer, so keep watering. Mow when the old grass reaches about 3 inches. Keep mowing slightly shorter for a few weeks so new seedlings get light. And remember, overseeding isn't complicated. It's just mowing low, creating soil contact, and staying consistent with watering. If your lawn isn't as dense as new sod, it's probably time to overseed. Head to Yardener and search Overseeding Lawns for the full guide and detailed steps.